Hey everyone, my name is Deja. Welcome to my channel that is based on DIY projects about planning, organizing, cooking, and home decor while saving you more money. Also, if you are new, welcome. And if you would like to join my channel, just hit that red subscribe button and also hit notification bell. Hey everyone, if you've seen the title, you already know what today is, and it is Dollar Tree Haul Thursday. Let's get right into it. So this video I got for Dollar Tree Haul Thursday that I got of this week was this, and I got 3 of these. I love these, and it's a new, as you see, it's a new line, and there it is. And I actually found another one that is the same, and they have 3 different not flavors but scents, you know, like varieties. So they have this one, which is more like a floral spring, as you see, and it smells so good. I'd rather me use this this one. Then they have the lavender one, and I think they have like a orange one, I think, but I don't like the lavender because I'm not really into lavender like that. So I just grabbed these 3, and every time I go Dollar Tree and I see these, I make sure I grab some, because as you can see, it's a nice like size, like, you know, I mean, like, come on, it is a nice size for that, in this hand soap, and it smells so good. You get it for $1, so why not? Moving on to, after, like I said, I got 3 of these, and like I said, I've been going back and forth to getting those every time I get them. So then another thing that I got was this. So I am so happy I got this. Super happy. Also my light head went out. So yeah. So I had got this, and I am loving it. And I have a green one like this, but last time I did get the green one, I was looking for the blue color, because they have multiple colors, especially when they come out for like spring. Before springtime hits, that's when the best time to really go in stores to get items like this in different colors. Like they had this type of color. Sometimes they have like the nude, I should say pastel colors, so you get like a lighter pink color, something like that, and then you get like a pretty like orangish color like this, something like that, or maybe a bright color like that. Then you get this blue, you get like a teal color. So there's different varieties that comes out of those colors during before spring hits. So it's basically around January all the way till a little bit of May. It depends on how fast everything goes. So yeah, like I said, just basically just be on a lookout for different colors and different items that within the season, because certain times you can really get good deals, and also the colors you really want within that, getting a good deal in that Dollar Tree. So, and also another tip is, if I go to other items like that, another thing is to make sure you're able to ask the cashier there, or anyone that works there, so that way you can figure out when a truck when they get basically a truck in. Because when they get a truck in, or whoever day the truck does come, you can also go that day, and then you can really see what type of items they're end up putting out that's new, or maybe, you know, they're restocking old items that you wanted to get at that time, but you wasn't able to get it, but now you're able to, because, you know, they have a truck come in. So just like I said, you want to be looking out for that stuff, and also ask cashiers when trucks come in, because that'd be the best time for you to get either new items or get items that's in stock for the old items. So those are really the 2 main tips I want to tell you within shopping at Dollar Tree. So let's get into this. So I wear glasses, so of course I need this. So if I got stocked, so as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and go look at it. They got these in. Another tip, third tip too, is to just randomly just go to Dollar Tree and see if whichever item that you wanted to get or color, like I said, or whatever it is, just go in there to see what they have, and then if you find something, there you go. If you don't, just go back in there again, you know, the next day or that week or something like that. Just go in and just see what they have. You just never know. So let's get into this other item that I got, which are these. So super excited about those, and I saw somebody that has Instagram, it was talking about these, and I was like, why did I not get these? Why did I not see these? But I saw them, hurry up and grabbed them, so that way I actually have a whole box of toothpicks. So that's why I want these, so that way I can keep refilling and not having my toothpicks just out in the opening, because I don't like that. And that's just like a lot of dust and chemicals, or just basically a lot of stuff that gets on it and you never know. So even though they're already packaged in a box, I would still like for them to be in a container like this and really be protected, you know what I'm saying? So if you like toothpicks and stuff like that, get you some. Trust me, get you some. So for the next one is this. Don't mind this. These are not this item, not this clear item, but this box is my new pots and pans, and you'll see it in another video. You will see those new pots and pans, basically pot set, in my another video that I'll be coming out with soon. But anyways, so I got this. Okay, so this is what it is. I love it. I already use it. I have 2 of these actually, and now I'm going to go back and get 2 more because I really like these, and now I'm finding different ways of using these for different stuff around my kitchen and basically around my house. So super excited about this, and I like them, and they're $1, and I like the width of this. So as you can see, I like you see like the width, and then how tall, well, as you'll see, the length, I really like it. So, and you see, it's not really like it shouldn't really slide in your drawers really that much, but if it does, then you can also put some foam mounting tape at the ends of the corners, so that way you can put that inside your cabinets or drawers, and they won't slide out, or basically move around. So because I got 2 of these and I love them, so if I were you, go out and get them. And they also have different types, so hey, you never know. So on to the next product is these, and my camera is not done this justice, but oh my word, when I say that these colors of this, it is just so beautiful. Let me see if I can get a better. No, it's not doing it, but oh my goodness, it is so beautiful. It's like that pretty teal color. Let me see if I can change the color setting of this so you can really see the detail of the actual color itself. So I don't know if that did anything, but yeah, it's not gonna do anything. Basically, it's like a really pretty teal color, and you can get this color majority around the time for like I was talking about earlier in this video, around springtime. So yeah, that's like right now it's in June, so majority of the time you can actually find that around this time. But I would still make sure that you do go within January all the way till May, but I would say do it in January to May. Not January to May, I'm sorry, January to March. So we're looking for these type of colors and different products. So, but yeah, so I got this one. That's the size of it. Get it right here. So that's how big it is. And then the next one is, I got two of the same size. So, and they're like the woven basket material. Well, look to it. So I really like it. It's so cute, and that's really the full size of it. So same as this, and they also have different bigger size. Well, different size. So you get, this is the large one that they had, the largest one that they had that I seen, and then that was, I guess you'll say, that medium size one. So let me get full. There you go. So you get the whole gist. So you see like this larger, medium, and then here's the small one. I think we'll go back and get another small one. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. But I really like these. They're like really nice looking. So I mean, you can't beat that, you know, you really can't. So yeah. And that, oh hold on, and then for the bonus that I got for this week was from Walmart, was this storage trays that I really like these, and from Walmart. These are so cheap. They're very, as you can see, very sturdy. They're very sturdy, durable, like they don't slide. Like, so you know, move around in your drawers or cabinets or anything like that. I love using these. And another thing is you get three pack of these. You get 3 of these in a pack, and it is, guys, when I say it's like ball out your mouth, like your mouth, your jaw will drop. It's because these are 98 cents, guys. 98 cents, and you get 3 of these. And they're 98 cents. Also, that you are getting good quality. They're very sturdy. They don't really move around in your drawers or cabinets. Like, when I say I love these guys, because you do not have to do much. So yes, I love these. And before I go, I'll show you the next ones that I got. I got these. I had used one, but it also comes, also get 3 of them, and then you also get, guys, get 2 of these as well. So you get 2 of these. So I just love them. So yeah, guys, so that is really all that I got. So got that, this, the container, 2 of those, and then these I got from Walmart. Another thing I got from Dollar Tree, those baskets, and then these. Also with that. So yes, that is it, guys. That is all. Yet again, like I was saying, that is really all, guys. So hope you like this video. Okay, I'm so excited. I love this. Yes. So there you go. That is all. This is all for this video. Please like, subscribe, turn notification bell on. Hope you like and enjoy this video. And as I always say, deuces, valuches.